Eano Pro can get estimates and takeoffs with construction plans and architectural drawings. Let's take a look at a couple types of drawings that work well with Eano Pro AI takeoffs. Here's a look at a design and construction drawing that contains notes, photos, a rough selected ceiling plan, 3D sketches, and some millwork. And here's a set of architectural drawings with a site plan, elevations, assemblies, and millwork. So let's try this one out with the Eano Pro Takeoff Concierge. In our opportunity, we can drag and drop our file. Here you can specify notes on what to process, if you want to focus on something specific or exclude something specific. After submitting, it'll check the file and confirm, hit to go. Along the way, it'll analyze the drawings and start asking follow-up questions. The follow-ups help to clarify critical things that will affect the job scope and cost. After a few moments, it'll return your line items organized into sections. Now let's check out some of the results. We can see up the bat we're talking about our project in Charlotte. The cool thing is we can check to see how it knows that by hitting the reference button. In this window, it'll pull up the page right where it got that information, and we can see about notes, zoning info, and location detail. So let's jump into some construction materials. Here we have some skylights, and when we check the reference, the openings and dimensions of our skylights are indicated in the drawing. Next, we could look at this 10x7 steel curtain wall, and it shows up with other features and elevations in that room. And now we can look at a custom butler pantry, and it shows the drawings and millwork required. So you can see it's analyzing everything on the drawing from notes and specifications to floor plans, measurements, to produce an estimate. And it's as simple as dropping the file in there. So Takeoffs Eano Pro, it can save you a ton of time with estimating.